Hi, Kevin here with Keeper Products, and today we are talking about the Keeper Soft Shackle. Bow shackles are great and definitely have their place in your off-road equipment, but soft shackles are used as a lightweight and safer alternative for the common screw pin bow shackle. The Keeper Soft Shackle is designed for maximum performance, made from 3/8-inch Ultra-High Molecular Weight Polyethylene and covered in UV stability coating. That's just a fancy way of saying that the Keeper Soft Shackle is tough, lightweight, and long-lasting. The additional fixed sleeve provides extra strength for the Keeper Soft Shackle and also with your equipment. The Keeper Soft Shackle has been lab tested for strength and long-term durability, delivering 24,000 pounds of maximum brake strength, and can safely handle the added stress caused by sudden jerking, tire suction, friction, or angle of pull. So it's great to use in a variety of recovery situations like winches, kinetic rope, or recovery straps. And it's easy when using a tree saver strap or a tree saver along with a pulley block. For a longer recovery situation, use the Keeper Soft Shackle to connect two straps together. Never do this with a bow shackle. During recoveries, if something breaks, a bow shackle will become a projectile that can do major damage to your equipment, or more importantly, to you or to someone else. But the Keeper Soft Shackle is so light, it helps minimize the risk of injury. The Keeper Soft Shackle is easy to use. Just wrap the soft shackle around your anchor point. Feed the soft shackle through the loop of the recovery strap. Then insert the knot through the loop and pull until the knot is secured to the loop end. That's it, and you're ready to go with your recovery. No need to unscrew a pin or use a tool if the pin is stuck, or be worried that you'll lose the pin. Another nice feature for the Keeper Soft Shackle, because it's so lightweight, it won't sink in the mud or soft sand, and will float during water recoveries. Always use your vehicle's proper anchor points. But in situations where a traditional anchor point is impossible to get to, and it's acceptable to use your bumper or cage, the Keeper Soft Shackle helps create a solid anchor point without scratching or marring your paint. Be sure with whatever anchor point you use that there are no sharp edges that will cut into the soft shackle. The Keeper Soft Shackle, an amazing tool that you'll definitely want in your off-road arsenal. I'm Kevin with Keeper, helping you enjoy your journey.